Tún ìwà rẹ̀ ṣe ẹ má jìyà káwọn aráàlú kí wọ́n kọjú ìjà káwọn aláṣẹ náà ṣe tó tọ́. Gbogbo ìwọ́de wa tá a ti ń ṣe látàárọ̀ kò jù báyìí lọ o. Àpadà gíríjàgan àdàlúrú o. Ẹ jẹ́ kí ìlú tẹ tòní wá tẹ́lẹ̀ fún wa, kára tẹ̀ wá, kára tù wá, ká lè láyé ká gbádùn. Ìjọba ara wa ní o. Ó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ máa gbọ́ táwọn aráàlú ń sọ. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí àwọn aṣáájú ti sọ̀rọ̀, a tún tẹ̀síwájú lọ́la, àbánìkan jà o. Ẹ̀yin aráàlú, tẹ́ ẹ bá rò pé kò kàn yín, wọ́n ní lára alẹ́ ẹni bá ń jẹ kòkòrò búburú, tẹ́ ẹ bá sọ fún ìgbà tó bá yá gbégbégbé ẹnu ọ̀nà yín wọ́n gbé sí o. Gbogbo àwọn tí wọ́n jáde lé ní kété báwọn náà ní ibi iṣẹ́ wọn tí wọ́n lè lọ, ṣùgbọ́n wọ́n fara wọn jì láti jẹ́ aṣojú fáráàlú pé kíjọba lè gbọ́n tí àwọn aráàlú ń sọ. Ẹ ṣeun tẹ́ bá wa fi etí sí ìta ń sọ o. Àwọn tó bá sì mọ̀ wọ́n, aráalé wa ni wọ́n, bọ̀dá wa ni wọ́n, ọkọ wa ni wọ́n, àbúrò wa ni wọ́n, ọmọ wa ni wọ́n. Ẹ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ níbi tí wọ́n ti ń gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́mọ elétí jẹ. Kò dìgbà tá a bá tó sọ nǹkan lójú abi tí àbọ̀ máa di dípò tó gbọ́ àwọn náà ń gbọ́ wa báyìí. Kí wọ́n ṣàtúnṣe o, ìlú. Máa ṣe sọ́yẹ́ náà ni ọ̀hán padà sí NSC office báyìí. Àwọn tábà fẹ́ máa lọlé, a lè máa lọlé. There is a column for each affiliate to sign on behalf of our members. So second and third, please let's meet at NSC office now. Ẹ ṣe gan ni oyè Gbodo ìsọlẹ́tò. Wàyó ìjọba ìjọba àtẹjọ́, wàyó ìjọba
Please come. We are the one with the jacket. I want to collect the number so that I'm not going to go. Oh, shit. Celebrate, sir. From Nigeria to go. I was part of the protest last week. Well, can I get your number so that I know where the protest is going to come? I know this one. They are going to come to us. Okay. So, what's your name, sir? I'm from the Solomon Ebiola. Okay. You can see there's a protest going on, and what's the take of the protest, sir?
First brought this protest, it was due to the hardship in the land. Talking about the hardship in the land, fuel subsidy scam, and some other anti-business policies that this regime has embarked on, and also to the state governors who are just full of taking cheap publicity, who are not ready to put their state in order, but they are after the protesters to use as a means of getting 2027 ambition. We are not going to be deterred. It is the responsibility of Nigerians. Section 39 and Section 40 of the Constitution empowers every Nigerian to come to the street to hear their grievances. The living are not more living any longer. What we have in the country today is suffering and smiling. We cannot continue to endure this. We urge all Nigerians everywhere organize independently. Don't wait for the NLC again. The time is long overdue. The revolution will not be televised. It is time we vote now until we have a society where person of nobody will become somebody without knowing anybody. Section 2 of the Constitution speak about the basic amenities, talking about the institution. Section 18, free and qualitative education. The education is not free now and it is not qualitative. The Nigerian students are also suffering. The parents are suffering. Our fathers are suffering. Likewise with the students. And on this note, we have declared that we are going on continuous action. It's not going to stop. After NLC protest tomorrow, we still continue. Protests continue. Every Nigerian has the right to organize independently without waiting for NLC or DUC because they continue to betray the masses. And the masses, it is time for them to rise and deliver themselves from the shackles of oppression. Thank you.
Okay, what do you think the government can do to make a difference?
Thank you. First thing is this, on the valuation of Naira, instead of them devaluing their Naira, pumping 160 million on vehicles, 160 million alone can empower a market, people. Take for instance, let's take this Mokola, at least 160 million Naira can empower nothing less than 160,000 people if they give them for you to arise. Don't wait for NLC, TUC. Don't wait for anybody as your leader. Organize in the constitutional rights. The understand is protest. They reach what they ought to bring back in return in terms of infrastructural design development. Nothing is in place. Our roads are bad. The high cost of living is there, and some other issues. Talking about the education student loan, who does it benefit? Be the leader of the state, and the highest office in the land is that. Thank you.
What's your name once again, sir?
I'm Comrade Solomon Emiola by name.
Let me just have it so that I can get to once you
kò sí ìdá fún ohun pákéjì inú ìyà ló kù sí ọ̀rẹ́ rẹ tẹ́jọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ra mọ́tò ìwọ sì tí ì ra táyà kẹ̀kẹ́ ó wá wà lórí ọ̀kadà ó wá pè ọ́ ó wá gbé pọ̀lù ẹ̀ ó wá délé wá pè pé òun dírẹ́ẹ̀dì lọ́wọ́ ni òjò gbé pọ̀lù ẹ̀.
Yorùbá Gbayì TV ẹ máa share ẹ kẹ́dẹ̀ máa subscribe síbẹ̀ toró gbayì púpọ̀.